Hey, what's up everybody? This is Ken. I am back with another video. This video was very long coming. I knew it was coming. It's dealing with, as you know from the title, my 12-volt battery. So it happened on around Thanksgiving holiday. Went to my car, start getting immediately notifications. I did notice that I tried to precondition my car when the plane had landed. It didn't work. I didn't think nothing about it. So when I got to the car, time I opened the door, I saw immediate messages. I just took pictures. I really didn't do any kind of video on it. I should have. Some of the messages was condition detected with a vehicle controller, which that freaked me out. The electrical system backup power is unavailable. Unable to support all features, and then schedule service to replace low voltage battery. Once I read that message, I knew it. It was just popping up everywhere, no matter what. This is my thing. Lead acid batteries that are in the, I think 2021 and before, they are good for about 3 years. I will have had my car for 3 years. Sometime, I think early 2022, they swapped out the lead acid batteries and replaced them with lithium ion. Once you get that error message, the car is alerting you like, hey, the 12-volt battery is dying. I think you have at least like a week in most cases where you need to get that replaced immediately. All the features that 12-volt battery does, the door lock, I mean everything, the trunk, the frunk, all of that. I don't know when that message hit my car. I flew in 25th or 26th, something like that, around 11 a.m. The Tesla Center is open. I'm just gonna go there and pretty much demand them to change it for me. I'm still under warranty, because if I didn't do that, if I risked driving all the way home, the 12-volt battery could have died, right? So I headed to the service center, got there, told them like, hey, I have an emergency. I think my 12-volt battery has died. I said I need it replaced like today. I don't have an appointment, and I can't really set an appointment because I live far away. I don't want to be on side of the road, because I did not know how long that 12-volt battery was dying. And they were done in about an hour. Do they replace them with lithium ion? I didn't really know for sure. I really don't care, to be honest. I'm going to open the frunk, show you what the new battery looks like compared to the old battery. I don't even know if it's changed or not, just to show you the before and after. Then we'll get back in the car. I'll pull up the service menu to see if I can find if it's lead or lithium. I'm pretty sure they probably put lead in there. Okay, so it might be a little bit windy, but it's located in this right here, this little cover. See, it's just a little plastic cover here. This covers up everything. You can see right here, this is the 12-volt battery. So if you're curious what your car will be replaced with, it doesn't say if it's a lead acid or not, but it does say 12-volt battery. That's the part number right there. All right, so I'll go ahead and put this back on. Does snap back in place. Okay, I'm back in the car. Let me show you how to get to the service menu. I don't know if I remember exactly where. And then I'm gonna type in service. I wouldn't recommend anybody really messing with this if they don't need to. And it said it should only be enabled by service personnel. All I'm doing, I'm not really changing anything. I'm just looking it up and seeing what type of battery that I do have. So I think it's under low voltage. Then if I go to power distribution, and right here it says lead acid battery. I think that's exactly what they gave me. So I didn't get a lithium ion. Let me know if I'm incorrect with that, but that's what the car is showing. But it has some really cool stuff. I'll just show you some of the other like cool little screens. That's my HV system. It's kind of just showing, it's monitoring, everything is green. high volt battery. I'm at about 72% and it's kind of just showing it right there. I don't know what HVIL. Now ain't that pretty cool? Get out of this, hit that down there, hold it down. And now I'm back to pretty much my main screen. Just really wanted to make a video just so you know, very important. You don't want to get locked out of your car. Can't really do anything. It's very inconvenient. Hopefully the car does notify you that there's an issue. And if it doesn't, just get the car towed or whatever you need to do, get it to the service center. If you have any questions, please let me know. This is YouTubeKeN. See you in the next video.